Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings. Of course I will show you both. Let's begin with the code, so let's enter the dialer and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, the device information just pops out and here we can check both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers if for some reason the secret code won't work. We have to enter the settings. Let's go to the very top of the list and tap on About Phone. Here we have to tap on All Specs. Now let's scroll down and find the status, and as you can see here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you would like to check the serial number, just tap on Model and Hardware and the serial number appears. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Xiaomi Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.